There's a shortcut?
Yeah, right here.
Really? Can we go through there?
Do I know?
Is that a shortcut?
Fun.
Alright. Yeah, we had a couple drinks and we're starting to do stupid shit. Hell yeah. Let's go here. Let's go through here. Fuck. Ah. That's the old fashions. Fuck. Let's do this. You made it. You made it. This is supposed to be a shortcut, right? Fuck.
Let's hop on over. Don't try this at home.
Crazy shortcut. I fell like twice. I don't even know what that means. Alright. We're good, we're cool.
So I was like, what is it again? There's something off with it.
Yes. Yeah. Damn, man. Next time we should bring those dark modelos. Always. I love those ones. Like a lot. Let's keep going through all this thing. Seems like there's a lookout here.
How about you guys?
Let's take a look at this.
He's probably gonna sell that photo of me. Come on,
Look at this.
guys.
It's pretty cool. What is this thing? And check this view. Not like a pillbox over there?
Yeah, they had those all around the island, dude.
Oh, really? Nice. There's a couple pillboxes. It's pretty cool. Alright, we're gonna keep going.
Like, I'm not.
Woo! Pretty nice views, right? Should we start going this? Should we run it? Oh, that's the tunnel. All right, tunnel. Woo! Yes. Let's go.
Stuff like this I don't like. I'm claustrophobic.
Really?
Yeah.
All right, there's a way down that way, and we came from there, and we're going this way. Thank you. All right.
Oh no, yeah.
We're here. There's a view here that you guys can see some history here, and another nice view. All right.
A week. Oh yeah.
You got one? So you like climb down?
Nuh-uh.
Start going to here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's do. Yeah. Let's go. Ah, look at that. Look there. Some nice views. It's pretty cool. Woo! What is this? Another place we can take a nice view. Oh yeah, this is pretty cool. Hey, can we go through there? What?
I mean, you can, but it's
Illegal. Let's see about that. No, just kidding. Not doing
I
it.
went down there.
Not doing it. Oh yeah. So this is a crater. You guys can see. Pretty cool, right? Alright, we're gonna keep going this way, right? Alright, so it's getting windy, right? So I have to tie my shit. Tie my shit. Alright. Yeah. So we're going through here. Alright. Let's go. Fuck! Made it here. But fuck. Alright. Hey, what you doing there, man? Pictures?
I'm still standing.
Some nice views there.
You want a picture of yourself? Please.
Yeah, I think
I'm not a professional.
Ah, you're good.
Let me get a video and I'm gonna get the yeah, go ahead. Ready to go?
Yeah, ready to go.
Let's get it. Take the short way down.
It'd be nice to go there, but we cannot. Whatever. We can. Not doing that this time. Okay. Look at this view here. Pretty nice, right? Alright, we're gonna go through here. We're going down this way. Woo!
Never find us and see it.
What is this thing, man? I don't know.
This is where they looked out when
And shoot.
looking for aliens in World War II.
Bam, bam, bam. Brrr.
Some AA guns in here. Glasses on.
Yeah. Oh shit. Oh, I have to take it off. Whoa, whoa. It's crazy. Look at this. Some type of cage. These flows, right? Yeah. All right, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Fuck. Ooh. Glasses on. Glasses check. On point.
That breeze though.
Woohoo! Oh shit! I'm not going down here. Fuck this. I'm going back. I'm going back.
There's only one way
I'm
down.
not doing this. I'm not doing this. No, that's not a good thumbnail. Alright, we're done with the hike. It was pretty cool, right? It was pretty cool. Alright, so yeah, that's it. So, till next time.